Hi friends, we're unboxing another box of HelloFresh, and I just want to show you what we got for this week. We gave HelloFresh a little break. We were kind of catching up on, you know, on the credit cards to make sure this is what we still want. And we paused it also because I was missing my own cultural food and stuff. The thing with HelloFresh, once you have a subscription, it's hard to kind of cancel your subscription. We did suspend our subscription for a couple of weeks, and then it resumed again automatically after the weeks have passed. So they just sent us random meals, so we did not select these meals. They just send us random ones, and so I just wanted to unbox this and show you what they sent us. So this is seared chicken in fig sauce with Brussels sprouts and with roasted Brussels sprout, 30 minutes meal. That looks good. I'm not quite sure if we had this one before, but that looks tasty. And yeah, let's see. Oops, sorry guys. The highlight, hello spread. They talk about the glaze that's on the chicken. That looks yummy. 30 minutes meal, can't go wrong. And the other one is beefy mushroom fusilli with spinach and cream sauce. Oh, that looks good. That looks really, really good. Nice pasta is always good, right? Easy 25 minutes meal, and it's quick. Can't go wrong. Let's see, talk about the Italian seasoning that's on there as a highlight and thing. And then, of course, Thai spice pork with dressed vegetables. That looks good. I see some peanuts on there. Maybe there's some peanuts in the peanut sauce. Let's talk about a little bit about the Thai seasoning. And that also looks good. That's also another quick meal. 25 minutes. And of course, this is a 3-day meal we got. Of course, some loose garlic is there and stuff. Nicely packaged. Nicely packaged as usual. I'm just going to take this out. And I'm going to make one for today. Now, after one. And then, of course, the frozen stuff is all at the bottom looking nice and frozen. Okay, so that's basically it. HelloFresh. As I said, we paused it for a little bit, and now they sort of automatically resume. It automatically resumes. So we're gonna see if we're gonna continue it. And honestly, because when we paused it, I missed it because we were looking to what to cook. And as I said, HelloFresh, dollar for dollar is the best deal because you're having groceries deliver to your house to complete a meal, fully completed meal. I think it's a good deal because we were going to the supermarket and we weren't sure what we're gonna buy and all kind of stuff. So I was missing HelloFresh, and I think we're gonna resume the subscription. So if you guys are ever thinking of getting HelloFresh, I'm gonna say do it because it works out far better. It works out far better than you running to the supermarkets to pick up stuff. And with HelloFresh, I know exactly what I'm going to be cooking. It's all packaged nicely. Everything that I need is in the bag, and the frozen meat is there, so I don't have to be guessing. And as I told you before, 99% of the meals I really, really enjoy. I don't particularly like the bowls that they send, but it's still tasty and their food is really, really good. So yeah, that's our unboxing for HelloFresh. And so I'm going to say watch for the video where we cook one of these meals. Okay, thank you for watching.